Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Venom sketch. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Start with a large, slightly elongated oval for Venom's head, making it about 1/3 of the overall figure's height. Then, lightly sketch in some central guidelines for where the eyes, nose, and mouth will eventually sit. Don't forget to establish the powerful, broad lines for his neck and shoulders, giving him that imposing silhouette right from the start. Now, let's bring out Venom's most recognizable features. Focus on his eyes, drawing them large and almond-shaped with very sharp, almost angry corners. Next, tackle that terrifying mouth. It should be incredibly wide, stretching across the face with a strong, defined jaw. Fill that cavernous mouth with dozens of sharp, dagger-like teeth, making sure they are uneven and menacing. Finally, don't forget his signature long, coiling tongue, often dripping with menace. With the basic forms in place, it's time to add texture and depth. Use techniques like cross-hatching or stippling to give Venom's skin that distinct, slimy, and organic appearance. Employ deep, dark shadows to sculpt his powerful musculature, creating a strong sense of three-dimensionality. Remember to leave some areas lighter, suggesting where light might catch his wet, reflective surface. Varying your line weight will also help emphasize different anatomical features, making the sketch more dynamic. For our final slide, let's refine and polish your Venom sketch. Go over all your outlines, making them crisp and confident, ensuring every line serves a purpose. Consider adding subtle details like small veins or tendrils emerging from his form to enhance the organic, alien feel. Step back and check the overall composition. Does it feel balanced and impactful? Finally, carefully erase any lingering construction lines, leaving you with a clean, powerful, and truly menacing Venom drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.